Hello, hi fifth grade. In this video, we're going to talk about quantifiers. And thank you very much for your attention. Please and repeat what I'm saying, and please try to find more quantifiers on YouTube channels. And please repeat these sentences. Read, please try to pronounce those words, please. And then quantifiers. What is a quantifier words? We use quantifiers to talk about a non-specific amount of things. Okay, let's watch this short video and then we'll go over on our English book on page 245. Okay, English book 2. Okay, guys, so quantifiers, we have more examples right here. What do you see? We see crayons, and we see crayons right here, and here pencils, colors, and then we have 5. So we can use quantifiers. There are a few crayons. If we don't want to say how many are there, we can say there are a few crayons on the table. And we have a lot. So that means we don't know if we have the full case of we have the whole case of crayons, or and if we don't know, we're not sure, we can say a lot. There are a lot of crayons in the box. And then all, so this one right here, it says all, so that means the whole thing. All the crayons are in the box. And if you see right here, there are many. What does that mean? Many of different sizes, different shapes. There are many supplies in the case, many supplies, see? And then there are some pencils in the container. So this is the container, there are some pencils. The brush has a little paint on it. The brush, this is the brush, and it has a little paint on it. And we don't know how much paint, but it has a little, okay? In negative, we use any or no. And there aren't any pencils in the container, so there are no, zero pencils in the container. There are no pencils in the containers. So in this page, guys, you don't need to do nothing, but you need to go on page 272. Page 272. What are we going to do on that page, on page 272? We're going to look more sentences about quantifiers. So you see right here, we spend all our money. So we ate a lot of candy yesterday. We ate a lot. I put a little sugar in my coffee. I put a little sugar. We don't know how much sugar, but you put a little bit. Okay, you cannot count. That's why you say a little. Okay, there aren't any lemons in the basket. So negative, aren't any. Many people are going to the show. Many people go into the show. So that means many. We don't know how many people, but many. Maybe 20, maybe 50, maybe 100. Many people, okay? Give me a few hours, please. What does that mean? Give me a few hours. Well, so please, maybe 2 hours, maybe 3 hours. Give me a few hours. Okay, she bought some clothes. So what does that mean? She bought some clothes. And then there is no school today. There is no school today. There is no school today. So what you need to do, it says read the text, fill in the blanks with the correct quantifier. So which one? You have the quantifier right here, okay? And you need to choose which one, if it's many or all or a little, any or a lot, no or any, some or many, a lot of many. You need to see, read the text. So I went to the baseball stadium with my sister and my brother. I went. So right here, you need to start. There were, you think there were many people or there were all people? So think about it and do it, please. And then you need to do this one too. Unscramble the words to write sentences, then circle the quantifiers. So you need to write in order, okay, the sentences, and you need to circle the quantifiers, okay? So they are 6 of them, so you need to do it. And thanks a lot, guys, though. That's all you need to do on this page about quantifiers. And also we need to on page. Okay, so you need to go on page 255. It's 255. And then we're going to learn a little bit about do, does, and did. Remember, do and does, it is the same thing, but we use does with he, she, and it. You see it right here. Okay, so you see the positive and negative, okay? And the past, present, positive, negative, and past positive and past negative, okay? And then it's very easy the past because we use did and didn't, but in present and we use do for I, we, you, they. We use do or don't for negative, and we use he for he, she, it. We use does, okay? Positive, and negative we use doesn't, does not. He doesn't, she doesn't, it doesn't. In positive, he does, she does, it does. Okay, and I do, we do, you do, they do. And I don't, we don't, you don't, they don't. And then in negative, you say I did. Yes, I did. I didn't. We did. You did. They did. He didn't. She did. It did. So right here is the negative with the same we use for all the persons, okay? So let's see some examples right here, and then we use it at the beginning of the sentences, and then we use it when it's a questions or exclamation question or exclamation sentences. I'm sorry. So do you see right here? It says, do you feel like Loudon? So you see, do you feel like Loudon? Oh yeah. Don't forget to bring your Braham dollars. Okay, so you see right here. Does your family like water sport? Because it's third person. Okay, doesn't sound delicious? Doesn't sound delicious? So use do and does to ask about the action, and don't and doesn't for negative sentences. Okay, to ask about the actions, okay, about something, okay, like I say, it is a question, okay? So this one, it goes at the beginning of a sentence. Is done, done. This is very easy, guys, so please. And did, it is the past tense, like I say, I did my homework yesterday. I didn't go. I didn't go yesterday. I didn't go with you yesterday. I went with you. So remember, we need to practice the verbs in past tense, okay? So what you need to do on this page, it says, Did you go work with the partner? Asking the question. So on this page, guys, listen what you need to do on this page. It says ask about those jobs, pretend you're so don't do nothing on this page, but you need to go on page 273. Page 273. And then what you need to do on here, it says question and short answers. So do you feel sick today? If the answer is positive, you need to say yes, I do. If it's not, no, I don't. Does Kim like popcorn? Yes, he does. Yes, she does. Yes, he does. No, she doesn't, or no, he doesn't. Remember, negative. Okay, positive and negative. Did Tom wash the dishes in the morning? Yes, he did. Remember, when you use did, the answer it has to be with did too. Okay, for example, yes, he did. If he does, no, he didn't. Okay, because this is the past tense. Did Tony wash the dishes in the morning? It passed. Maybe it is afternoon. You say, did Tony wash the dishes in the afternoon? Yes, he did. No, he didn't. Okay. So you need to change. Let's see this one. What do you need to do? It says change these sentences into the question using do or does and answer them. You need to answer them. Okay. So for example, we have the first example right here. He loves his hometown. Yes. So does he love his hometown? So if you see third person, he. So we need to use does. He loves his hometown. Does he love his hometown? Question. Yes, he does. Okay. So right here, you need to respond with negative because that's why it says no. And it says yes. So yes, yes, no, no. The answer, it has to be negative, positive. Okay. Adam likes to eat fish and chips. So what do you think? Okay, so you need to add and the question marks. Okay, so please, you need to do it this one, and also you need to do this one. Look at the pictures, answer the question with a short answer. Did it rain yesterday? See, it rained yesterday. Yes, it did, because you see the picture. And then what is the dog is doing? Did the dog catch a ball? No, he didn't. So you need to answer. Okay. And then number 2, you need to see the picture. Number 3, you need to see the picture. Number 4 too. And you need to give a short answer, please. And then that's all you need to do, guys. And thank you very much for watching this video. And I hope this video will help you a little bit. And thanks a lot, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.